gold and stocks both hit all-time highs at the same time, and we're like, this is such a unique situation. I have this article here from Forbes that talks about how like both setting record highs rarely happens. Why is it weird, first of all, that stocks and gold are both hitting all-time highs at the same time?
Yeah, well, when equities or stocks are usually hitting all-time highs, the general consensus is optimism out there. It's an environment where investors are saying, "Hey, you know what? I want to take advantage of this opportunistic time to invest. I think the economy is making a lot of money. I think companies are making a lot of money, and I want to put my money in equities and stocks." So it's an opportunistic play. When you start to see gold rally, what investors are generally saying is, "We're scared." So what gold does really well is it's a store of value. So when gold is doing really well, and there's a lot of people saying, I want to put my money in gold, people are saying, you know what? I just want my money to be there when I need it, which is the opposite of opportunistic. So we're in an environment right now where people are saying both. I want both, which usually is contradictory. And so I think there's a lot of money in the economy. There's sound reasonings for both. I mean, this is a unique time to be an investor. It really is. And this has been, I think, how I've started probably the last 2 to 3 quarters of my quarterly market outlook is like, guys, I think we're looking for a North Star because the signals are confusing. And I think when you have confusing signals, you have things like gold and equities both hitting an all-time high at the same time. So this is where I think rental properties shine. And part of the reasons that I love this asset class so much is because it checks that box for me of fear, risk mitigation. Like this is a sound investment to make. And when the fear is ringing in my head, and this is a sound investment to make when I'm looking to be opportunistic and to use leverage to get an above average return. So I think I've said this many times, I think this asset class shines in moments where people are confused or fearful.